This Century 21 At Your Service Realty property video is presented by Eileen Bellinger. This delightful 2-bedroom/2-bath home shows like new and is sited in the maintenance-free gated community of Traditions. The open concept floor plan offers a spacious living room with porcelain tile flooring and an oversized glass sliding doors. The eat-in kitchen features 42 upper cabinetry enhanced with crown molding trim and pull-out shelves, closet pantry, recessed lighting, quartz countertops, subway backsplash tile and Slate Smudgeless G appliance package. The formal dining area offers porcelain tile floors, vaulted ceiling and glass sliders allowing access to the fenced-in yard. The master bedroom suite offers a walk-in closet and wall-to-wall carpeting. The master bath features a comfort height vanity adorned with a quartz countertops and tiled shower with glass door. Other amenities include a laundry room with washer and dryer, hallway coat closet, keyless front entrance door, screened-in lanai, programmable thermostat, low-E double pane windows, architectural shingle, radiant heat barrier, hybrid water heater, irrigation system, gutters, fenced-in yard with spotlights, 2-car garage, paved driveway, and walkway. The picturesque community of Traditions offers amenities such as a lakefront clubhouse, dock, and boat ramp, heated swimming pool, and spa, ballroom, billiards, meeting room, library, computer room, craft room, dog park, tennis courts, basketball, bocce, shuffleboard, fitness center, aerobics studio, and much more. Great convenient location close to shopping, medical facilities, and major routes. Monthly Hoa fees include exterior house painting, cable, internet and lawn service, front yard only. For more information, review the details.